Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Wise, Money Wise. In this session, let us discuss the types of investors, and towards the end of the session, you will be able to assess yourself what type of investor you fall into so that it will help you understand the consequences of your investment style. Like how a t-shirt doesn't fit everyone in the same way, similarly when it comes to investing, one cannot adopt a one-size-fits-all approach. Like how individual's personality differs from that of another, same is the case with risk appetite, and hence it is important that you determine what type of investor you are before making investment decisions. Always remember, risk and returns are two sides of a coin. Higher the risk, higher the returns. Lower the risk, lower the returns. You cannot enjoy higher returns by taking lower risk. Based on the amount of risk that an investor is willing to take with his money in exchange for returns from investment, they can be classified into three types of investors. Now, let us understand the behavior and advantages as well as disadvantages of an aggressive, moderate, and a conservative investor. A conservative investor is one who looks for stability when it comes to investing, and he is more concerned with shielding his capital than increasing its real value. As a result, they are normally willing to accept lower returns in exchange for capital preservation. Advantage of being a conservative investor is that you can be certain that your investment will provide you with steady growth with minimal or no fluctuations. Disadvantage is that there is a possibility of lower returns due to the fact that investment style is a low return investment. Since there are fewer risks involved, there is a less chance of getting a huge profit. A moderate investor is one who is willing to tolerate moderate fluctuations in exchange for moderate reasonable returns but are still not comfortable enough with the market risk to invest their money aggressively. These are the set of investors who tries to bring in balance between reducing risks and enhancing returns. Advantage of being a moderate investor is that they will be able to enjoy moderately reasonable returns and capital protection is more or less guaranteed. But the disadvantage is that they can enjoy only moderate returns. Aggressive investors are risk takers and they tend to take higher levels of risk in exchange for higher levels of capital growth. They are willing to deal with volatility and fluctuations of the market over the shorter to medium term as long as they can achieve their objective of considerably increasing their real capital value over the long term. Advantage of being an aggressive investor is that they will be able to achieve their financial goals in a strategic manner quickly, but the disadvantage is that they carry a higher risk of capital loss if investment is for a short term. Also, it is best to understand one's risk tolerance before adding high risk investments to their portfolio. I hope today's session helped you learn the limitations and advantages that result from the type of investor you are. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please do like, share and subscribe to Be Wise, Money Wise.